Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative business models right now, and the easiest way to make money online if you play strategically. But more people are losing money than making it. Why? Because people are misguided. The majority is trying to make money by teaching you how to do it rather really caring about your success. Do you want to do the right way? If yes, stay focused. In this episode, I'm going to talk about how to start affiliate marketing. By the way, if you stay till the end, I'm going to bless you with a bonus. Hi, I'm Suneel Hegde. I'm a digital entrepreneur and founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub. Without further delay, let's get into the topic. Okay, welcome back. First, I'm going to walk you through all these 7 simple steps. Then, as promised, at the end, I'm going to bless you with a bonus. Yeah. Now, let's look at step number 1, which is find your niche. Finding your specific niche is very, very important. I want to be a big fish in a small pond, rather a small fish in a big pond. So, if you want to serve everyone, you will not be able to serve anyone. So, it is very important. You got to be very, very specific and as deep as possible when you're starting. Let me give you an example. I keep telling this to everyone every time. A generalist doctor and a surgeon, who makes more money? It is obviously a surgeon who makes 100 times more than a generalist because he is specific. So specific is always terrific. So if you want to know more about how you can find your niche, in the description, I have given a link for another video. Somewhere above my head also, I have linked it. You can go and check it out. Yeah. And step number 2 is product selection. Based on your niche, you need to find a product which you can promote to your target audience. By the way, it is very important. It is a thumb rule I always advise. Promote a product which you have already used and you got result. If you go and see my website, even in the description, I have given so many recommended resources and the tools, but each and every product is I have tried and I have got results. So then only you will have a moral authority to promote any product. But I've seen majority of the people, they promote just for the sake of money. They have not used it. They don't know how those products work. So it is important when you're selecting a product, you need to be sure it is based on your niche, you're passionate about, and third thing is you have already used. If you want to know more about how you need to select a product, what are the networks or the marketplace you can use, again in the description also above my head, I have given a link for a video. You can go and check it out in detail. Yeah. And step number 3 is hub creation. Yeah. What is hub creation? It is a central place where you build your influence. It comprises of 3 things. One is personal branded website. And the second thing is your landing page. And the third thing is dynamic marketing system or the funnel networks. Yeah, it is very important. You should have your personal branded website so that you start building your influence. Landing pages to capture your leads, and the dynamic marketing system and the funnel networks, which comprises of automated selling machine marketing machines. Yeah. And step number 4 is content creation, content marketing. You create blogs and post it in your personal branded website on your hub, and also create YouTube contents so that you can get organic traffic. Yeah. Step number 5 is traffic generation. Now you already have world-class product. You already have your hub. Also, you have valuable content. Is that enough? Definitely not. How the world will know you already have all this? Only by traffic generation, letting your target market know that you exist and you are ready to serve. So there are 2 strategies in traffic generation. One is organic traffic generation and another one is paid traffic generation. For organic, you are going to use these contents, post on social media and get organic traffic, and also paid traffic generation by using ads through Google, Facebook, and there are so many other avenues. In the description also above my head, I have linked the video. You can go and check it out and go more deep into it. Yeah. After that, step number 6 is list building. It is not just about you getting the traffic to your offer, to your hub. Also, you need to build your list so that you can start nurturing them. You can start building influence and interact with them. Yeah. So use list building strategies, then you build a big list of subscribers. And step number 7 is tribe building. If you have heard so many people are saying money is in the list, that's not true, because money is in the relationship you have with your list. So it is very important. You need to start building your tribe, build your small super fans, create the trust among them. That is very, very important. So big companies like Apple, Amazon, they all have their own ecosystem. They have their super fans. That's why they are too big to fail. So it's very important you start nurturing your people, build a community, and build trust, so that it is going to be an ecosystem, your own island, where you'll be able to mint money out of it. Yeah. You must be wondering, 7 steps are already over, but where about I generating lots of money through affiliate marketing? Yeah, you must be having that question. When you have world-class product based on your niche, and you already have your hub, your funnel networks and everything, and you're generating traffic, you already built your tribe, then what else you require to generate money? Since you already have your super fans who believe in you, who trust you, when you bring them the product, the world-class product, which is ultimately benefit them, there is no question of sales and conversion. It will happen automatically. That's why intentionally I have not given those steps. Yeah, if you follow these steps, take small baby steps and complete diligently these steps, yeah, without skipping anything, then it is going to be very easy for you to build affiliate marketing business, a super profitable affiliate marketing business. Yeah, so these are the 7 steps. Let's just recap. First one is find your niche. Based on that, you go to select the product, then create your hub, which has personal branded website. You need to have your landing page, also dynamic marketing system and funnel networks. Then start creating content, both read means text based as well as the video based. Then start generating traffic, both organic and paid traffic. Then list building, and you start nurturing your tribe and build the community and create an ecosystem. Yeah. So as promised, the bonus, I invite you to attend a masterclass which is going to give you more in depth about all these steps I have just gone through. I have given the link in the description so that you can register and attend live. If you want to continue learning journey with me, tap or click on your screen and watch those playlists. Until we meet next time, I say take care and bye-bye.